Here we're inside the Q5 Hybrid again. Want to show you a couple cool features, including the panoramic sunroof and then the mirrors that fold in and out. So let's take a peek first at the mirrors over here. There's a dial down by the window control down here where you can twist it to about 7 o'clock, and the mirrors, as you can see, automatically fold in. So if you're ever going down a tight area, you can fold the mirrors in by just turning this knob to about 7 o'clock, twist it back, and it'll turn back. Now you can also enable a setting when you lock the vehicle, the mirrors also fold in. Nice way to double check if your car is locked or not, just by looking to see if the mirrors are folded in or out. Another cool feature is the panoramic sunroof that goes all the way back here on the Q5 Hybrid. So there is an optional sunscreen up here, 2 buttons to control. One controls the sunscreen and the other controls the opening and closing of the actual panoramic sunroof itself. So I'm going to open up the sunscreen here. It's a nice sunscreen in the sense that it's a mesh, so it does let through some light, but it's going to block all the direct light. So it's a nice way to keep the cabin kind of cool. And then in terms of the opening of the sunroof, it does open halfway back. So this entire front cabinet here is all open to the atmosphere. There's a bug screen, a windshield up here, but the panoramic sunroof does open halfway back, which is pretty neat. Another cool feature of the Q5 Hybrid.